After multiple surgeries in the U.S., Michaela Allen is back in Jamaica. The 6-year-old was attacked by dogs in November last year. Shamela Pullen has this primetime news follow-up.
Allen is back on his feet again. The scars from the vicious dog attack on November 15 last year, a reminder of his ordeal. The 6-year-old and his mother, Shireen Grinley, returned to the island on Monday after spending about 6 weeks in the U.S., where he underwent surgeries at the Montefiore Hospital in New York.
They had was to move a muscle from the back to insert in the head. They moved the tissues from over his left eyes to put over to cover the head. They took this upper skin from his leg, his right leg, to put over the head. Then they had was to move a vein from the right arm leg to put in the left one.
Miss Grinley says at one point she was losing hope until after he did the second surgery. She said during recovery she thought her son was losing his mind, but after recovery he went back to his normal senses. Michaela is now recovering well physically, except for tipping when walking.
So when I asked him, can you put the leg down? He's saying yes, but he's feeling like a pain in there. So I don't know like if it is something too tight in there or what. But he's not walking to perfection. The hand, he could not stretch the hand out like this, the left arm, because remember they had was to take muscles to put in there. He could not stretch it out. But on Wednesday, he did a minor surgery again. They slit it to release it. But I don't know if because he still have the stitches in there, if that's why it is not. He's still not moving it freely.
But despite those challenges, Miss Grinley says what's important is that her son is talking. Miss Grinley is grateful to some key individuals, both here and abroad, for helping to save her son's life.
I want to say thanks to Pastor McFarlane who took him up to bring him to the hospital. Then I want to say thanks to the Alexandria Community Hospital, the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, Bustamante Children's Hospital. And last but not least, I am very, very, very grateful to the Montefiore Medical Hospital. Words cannot explain the gratitude I have for the surgeons there.
I never know, say, he would live to come back here unless he would come back as a dead person.
So you're happy to see him back?
I'm really, really, really happy.
Michaela is scheduled to visit the Bustamante Hospital for Children within the next few weeks for follow-up treatment. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.